Jason Wright was a standout with the national under-17 team back in 2011. He even helped the team to qualify for the FIFA World Cup, but has since been flying under the radar.
A player who many Jamaicans would know is Jason Wright. At 16 years old, Wright was threatening to be a household name in Jamaica after starring for the national under-17 team in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, where he led them to the 2011 FIFA Youth World Cup, which was held in Mexico. But Wright fell under the radar even as he took up a scholarship in the United States.
Outside of Jamaica, I would say most of the times. Outside of Jamaica, so that is the reason why the name may be lost to the people. From I left high school, I was outside because I went the college route. I did 4 years in college. And after that, I was just out, seeking a contract outside of Jamaica.
He recently returned to Jamaica after a stint in Romania with CS Miavini.
Well, the Romania move came about. It was in the pipeline for quite some time, but due to the COVID pandemic, it set back the timing and as soon as I was able to travel over there, my agent organized a trials and I was successful. CS Miavini was the club and it was successful, and the experience there was fantastic. I couldn't have asked for anything better. It was fantastic. I enjoy every moment of that experience, and it has helped me a lot. There was some contractual disagreement, and basically my agent thought it was best for me to reset because playing time for any player is important, and change of manager and all of that play a big part in why I had to make the decision to come back and reset.
Not the way he would have expected his career to have gone, but he says he has much to be thankful for.
Since lately I've taken a different path in life. And with that said, I am grateful. Obviously, there are things that you wish could have gone differently, but I am very proud of my career and what I've been able to achieve out of football. I've traveled the world and I've played in Europe. Since recently, as I said, I've signed in Europe. At the collegiate level, I did very well. I was an All-American. So wherever I travel and play football, I did well. So when you look at it and when you look at the sport in a broad spectrum, nothing is given and nothing is... You can be the greatest player and still fail to live up to something.